In this video, I'll tell you how to install a Smartpoint plugin into your system. But before installing a Smartpoint plugin, there are some prerequisites which user has to perform, like adding a Galileo sign-on into the system, creating a third-party supplier. I'll tell you how to add a sign-on in your profile. So in the administration tab, the user will move to agency management, and in agency management, Galileo sign-on into their profile. Here. Then the user will move to client management. In the supplier list, user need to create a third-party supplier from register supplier, where the user has to add the basic information of the supplier, like the supplier name, the address, the phone number, the country. In the financial detail, they can add the bank profile of the supplier. In the product, they are going to associate the product with the supplier, so that whenever they create a blank booking, they can associate the supplier with the product and just save it. So the third party supplier got created. Now we have to add the Galileo PCC into our system. So we'll move to administration. In the content management, we will go for manage source credential. In manage source credential, user has to enter the name of the GDS, display the source name, currency, PCC in which they are working, the environment of the PCC, whether it is a test or a live, the provider code, it always remain as 1G, and they have to select that third party supplier which they have just created, select the branch, and then save it. This is how they are going to add the PCC in the system. Now how to install a Smartpoint? So they have to move to this help screen. In the help screen, user will download the Smartpoint plugin from the download utilities. The Smartpoint file has been uploaded. We'll open this installer. The installer has been loaded into the system. Now we'll open the Smartpoint and view. So the Midoffice Smartpoint plugin will look like this, where you have to enter your Midoffice login, agency name, username and the password. So now the installer is working in the system and we can create a booking through the Smartpoint installer. You can see the sign-on of the installer here. This Q sign means the Smartpoint installer has been installed, and for running it, you can do a simple command like n dot, enter, and it will open you the screen of the plugin where you can search for the user and the client which you have created. I hope this video has helped you to install a Smartpoint plugin. In the next video, we will tell you how to create a booking from the Smartpoint plugin.